21st General Assembly of Newfoundland. The members of the 21st General Assembly of Newfoundland were elected in the Newfoundland general election held in November 1908. The General Assembly sat from March 30 to April 9, 1909. The seats were split evenly between the Liberal Party and the new Newfoundland People's Party. Robert Bond resigned as Premier after the governor refused to dissolve the Assembly. Edward P. Maurice of the People's Party was asked to form a government, but the Assembly was unable to choose a speaker and was dissolved. Although Maurice was not able to form a stable government, as Premier he was able to spend money which helped him gain votes for the election that was to follow. Sir William MacGregor served as Governor of Newfoundland. Members of the Assembly. The following members were elected to the Assembly in 1904. Notes. By elections. None. References.